Welcome to another ASMR video. Today I'm going to be testing your vision. I know I did this in another video, but I'm going to be doing it again because I think everyone's eyes are pretty much damaged from taking your phone and staring at it 2 inches away from your face. I'm talking about you. So, I know. I'm supposed to be nice and caring and gentle. This is ASMR. We're not supposed to be mean. I don't care. I'm here to tell you the truth and nothing but the truth. Okay, I have cobalt light. I will be testing out your vision, your sight. I don't really know what tests I'm going to be doing. I haven't planned this at all. I'm just going to answer truthfully, and it's okay if you don't see right or if you get some wrong. It's alright. I'm going to need you to follow the light. Can you do that? Follow. Follow the light. Follow. You're doing great so far. Just keep following the light. If it goes off screen, just look where it was last. Did you just take your eyes off the light? I just told you to keep your eyes on the light. Look at the light, look at the light, look at the light. Do not take your eyes off the light. Once I've told you once, I'm not gonna have to tell you again. Or you're just not gonna listen. Okay. Do whatever, I don't care. Follow the light, follow the light. Follow the light. It's gonna get far back. You're gonna keep on following the light. Follow the light. Ooh. Oh, you still followed the light. That was actually pretty impressive. I'm not here to play tricks and mind games. I'm just here to test your vision. I need you to keep following the light, okay? I'm gonna go up and down now. Follow. Follow. Look at the light. Look at the light. Look at the light. Follow the light. Don't take your eyes off of it. Follow the light. Look at the light. You're doing good. Follow the light. Follow the light. Follow the light. Follow the light. Wherever the light goes, you will follow. Follow the light. Good. You're doing good. Good. You're doing great. continue to follow the light, testing how long your eyes can follow something before they start to wander. This does take a lot of focusing, and you may be tempted to look off of the light. And it's okay if your eyes get a little sleepy. It's alright if they get a little droopy and sleepy. The whole point of this is to help you get to sleep. But I want you to keep your eyes on the light if you can. Keep them on the light. Keep looking at the light. I'm relaxing your eyes by forcing you to look at something. Another good trick that helps people get to sleep is if you blink as many times as you can, keep following the light. Blinking rapidly as long as you can or until your eyes get sleepy. That's another very great way to help you get to sleep. It works for me a lot of times. Keep looking at the light. Keep looking at the light. Keep looking, keep looking, keep looking. Once again, I know you may be tempted to look off the light, but trust me, it is for your own good. Keep looking at the light. I'm gonna go a bit faster now. Okay, now we're gonna slow down the light. We're gonna slow down, slow down. We're gonna go super slow with the light. You are doing great with that so far. What I think I'm gonna do now is some tapping on the light while I think about what I should test you on next. I do want you to follow this. Follow my tapping. Follow it. I'm gonna back up a little bit. I want you to keep on following the blue light. Which the light is on, not on, I know that. Following. And if at any point you cannot see the light completely, just look at my hands. Look at the closest spot to the light. So like if it goes off screen, wait till it gets back. What I want you to do next is, I want you to tell me when the light is on. I'm going to wave it across the screen like so. And I want you to tell me when it goes by, if it's on or off. Okay? Can you do that? Okay, good. On, very good. Off, also great. I'm gonna want you to keep following the light as I do this, continuing to look at it. Look at the light, look at the light, look at the light. You're doing great. Great, you did wonderful with that. I'm going to put this back, and then I'm going to give you one more, I say some, but technically it's one more eye test. So I'm going to want you to follow this hand, the hand with the ring, my right hand, your left, my right hand, and do not get distracted. Do not get distracted by the other hand. The other hand is just going to float around, and you're going to not let that distract you. I want you to follow this hand. Follow it, follow it, follow it. And do not get distracted. Do not get distracted. Do not let it distract you. Keep following my right hand, the hand with the ring. Do not get distracted. Do not get distracted no matter what. Do not get distracted. Ah, you slipped up right there. I saw that. Don't let it happen again. Get distracted. Don't let it distract you. Don't get distracted. Alright, you did wonderful with that little eye test. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you're asleep by now, but if not, go ahead and hit replay or loop the video. Either one works. And if you want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and share with your friends. So the more people see this, the more videos that you'll get. If you have any specific trigger requests, then let me know in the comments down below. I'd be happy to do them for you. If you preferred a specific trigger throughout this video, like the light flashing by, if you preferred following my hand, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.